Immaculate Conception Parish of the Roman Catholic Diocese of San Pablo was established on 1613. It is located in municipality of Los Baños, Laguna. The parish fiesta is celebrated every 8th day of December. God bless. Follow me for more. Thank you.